Welcome once again to the class, gentlemen. It's my endeavor, my effort to help you to get a job in the sales or to help you to prosper in your career in the sales. And basically, this capsules are for the fresh job aspirants or job aspirants who are already in sales profession or are looking to be in sales profession. Now, today we have talked about a lot of theories. Let's put all the theories into practical, into a small kind of a capsule which you should remember. We will call this how to effectively sell your product. Selling, now remember, is the art of matching product benefits with consumer needs or desire, or customers' needs or desire. Sell your business offering by communicating the value of your product or service to your potential customer. Lead the customer through buying decision and facilitate a satisfying transaction. Now, when we say कि product benefit with customers' needs, how do you come to assess the customer's needs? You have to listen to him very politely. You have to listen to him very patiently. You have to ask him probing questions so that you know what the customer is looking at. Though I will be taking up a capsule on customers completely, their expectations, their way of working later. But now I'm taking up a complete capsule on effective selling. So we have now said that you have to match the product benefits with the customer's needs. Once we have also said to customer needs, you must listen and listen well. For your product, know your product well. Imagine every question a prospect might ask and arm yourself with the answers, linking each product fact to the customer's benefit. If I'm looking for reliability, then you should be able to give me reliability characteristics. If I'm looking for durability, you should be able to give me that. If I want to take the product out of that country, you should be able to do that. Explain your offering in sentence. Condense everything you know into brief explanation, and that can grab the interest and cause the prospect to think, this will benefit me. Long drawn, verbose, poorly devised communication will not be of use either to you or to the customer, prospects. Know your prospects, visit websites, read companies' brochures, talk to mutual associates, and do some research if necessary to arrive armed with the prospect knowledge. This is more applicable in case of industrial sales and more involve, etc., project sales and commodity sales. This may not be really this relevant for the fast-moving consumer goods. But at that place you have to be very quick to assess the customer. That equal also is a big challenge. Know what message your prospect is ready to receive. If your prospects wants you to sell him a business jet which goes from Delhi to London at a fast speed, or carries more passengers or is fuel efficient, you should be able to say that. Similarly, if you are selling a car, you should know what your message your prospect will like to receive. Especially if yours is a new or unusual offering, you may need to help the prospect to see the needs before asking for the order. So again, I will say everything is coming out of proper listening, proper communication, proper planning. Set your sales presentation goals. Often your aim is to incremental step to prompt the prospect to request for a proposal, to schedule a meeting with high-level decision maker, to arrange a demonstration, or take other steps to move the process in the final steps. In case of fast-moving consumer items, he would like to come to a purchase decision, purchase intention, first purchase intention, and then purchase decisions. Dressed for success. The general rule is to project your own business image well while dressing at least formally as those to whom you will be presenting the presentation and your offerings. So, in short, I have tried to give you an idea to be effectively selling your products. Now, in all this, we have really not defined a product. Maybe I'll define a product in my later lecture. Do go through the website, do listen to the capsule. It will definitely be of use to you in your future life. Thank you so much.